Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, you get front and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 16,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.